Today we're going to be rooting our Nexus 5 running 422. First thing we're going to need to do is download two files. We're going to be using the CF auto root method to root our phone. In order to use the CF auto root, we need to download the zip file. In addition to that, we're going to need our Android SDK so that we can get the drivers so the computer can speak freely with the Nexus 5. Both the links for these downloads are going to be located in the description. And I'll take you to the websites now. So for the SDK, when clicking on the link, it should drive you to this page. Go ahead and download the proper SDK. Keep in mind, if you're using a Linux machine or downloading from your phone, it will download the Linux version by default. So make sure that you are selecting the proper SDK for whichever platform or OS you're using. So once we're here, go ahead and agree to the above terms and conditions. Select the operating system that you're currently on and download the bundle. Save that to your desktop. And this is the CF Auto Root download page. The download link is located down here at the bottom. Also, feel free to donate if you wish to. And we're going to go ahead and just save this directly to your desktop as well. Once we have both those downloads done, go ahead and extract it. You can use 7-zip or WinZip, whichever extractor you prefer is fine. These are the files associated with the extract of the CF auto root, and these three files here are the ones associated with the Android SDK. So what we're going to do first is launch the SDK. And what we're looking to do here is install the drivers for the Nexus 5. So once this finishes loading, we'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom, and we want to jump into this extras section. And within the extras section, we want to install the Google USB drivers here. Go ahead and check that box and click Installed Package. Once that's complete, you can go ahead and close the SDK down and launch this root windows.bat. This batch file is what we're going to use to actually root the phone. And go ahead and leave it on this screen until I tell you to press any key. So right now, leave this screen up on your machine, and we'll move to our Nexus 5 to set it up for the root.
Okay, now we're on our Nexus 5. What we're going to do is unlock it, swipe down, and go into your settings. From here, go into the About Phone options if you don't already have this developer options up. Because what we're going to do is allow this developer options to display. So go into the About Phone, and you can see we are running 442. Scroll down to this build number here and continue to tap it. On my phone it states no need, I'm already a developer. But if you continue to tap that, eventually it will allow you to go into the developer mode. Once you're in that, back up one screen, go into your developer options, and make sure this USB debugging is checked. This will allow the computer to manipulate the phone. Once you're done with that, go ahead and power down the machine. What we're going to do now is put it into the fast boot mode. In order to do that, hold the volume up and down key simultaneously and press the power button until it buzzes. Once it buzzes, let go. Now you'll be on this screen. Once you're at this screen, take your cord and go ahead and plug it into your computer. Back on the laptop or desktop, open up that C prompt window that we had up. Should still be up, right? And you're just going to click any key to go. and you're just going to let it run. And it'll go through a delete function, it'll rewrite everything. All of your previous data you had on here will be deleted, and it would be returned back to stock mode. And as you saw there on launch, down here, there was a little unlock, a lock that's unlocked, and that signifies that the bootloader has been unlocked. And that's it. You've successfully rooted your Nexus 5 running 4.4.2.